Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about notifications on Indeed. Guys, if you created an account on Indeed, then definitely you will get notifications about jobs and job vacancies and all the activities on the Indeed. Then how will you check your notifications? Just simply you have to go on Indeed and click on Indeed's website, and then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you have to go on this bell icon. Guys, just look at the top right corner on the screen. Here you will see this bell icon. You have to click on it, then you will be able to see all your notifications about posts and your jobs and job vacancies and all your activities. You will be see all your notifications over here. For now I don't have any notification because my account is new, so I didn't have any notifications. But if you want to see any notifications, then you can see your all the activities and notifications by using this method. So guys, this is how to check notifications on Indeed. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.